F-O-R-D, Ford. Here we go. Woo! Check that engine out. This is in a 427. Boom. You like anything about this car, put it in the comment section down below. Check that blue glistening paint job out. Leather seats. And remember, ooh, look, it's a GT. Not a GTO though. Ooh. There we go. Fairline XL. Nice. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And old cars are something to behold. Remember, don't touch unless it's yours. Respect the shows that they are at. Enjoy them for the beautiful artwork that they are. Till next car, lout.